Shem Stars. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit. Let's start today's lesson.
Hello dear children, today we will start a new chapter named The Wizard of Oz. The main objectives of this lesson are to read a play based on the popular American novel The Wizard of Oz. We will learn some French words used in English and also learn the use of direct and reported speech, reporting verbs and inverted commas. Here you can see a word grid in which some words are hidden related to travel. You can try your best in finding out these words. It's a play in which a little girl, Dorothy, gets lost in a strange land and faces difficult situations there. Dorothy lived with her uncle and aunt in the Kansas prairies. Children, Kansas is a state in the United States of America. It is covered by prairies. Do you know what are prairies? These are vast stretches of grasslands which are that is very much suitable for agriculture. So one day there was a violent storm which took away the house along with Dorothy and her dog. And after some time it landed at a far off place. When Dorothy came out of the house, she found herself surrounded by a crowd of tiny people called Munchkins. They were very happy to see Dorothy and thanked her for killing the wicked witch of the East. At this, Dorothy was surprised as she didn't know anything about it. Then Good Witch of the North told her story about how her house landed on the top of the Wicked Witch of the East, and this way they were free from the clutches of the Wicked Witch. Good Witch handed over the silver shoes of Wicked Witch to Dorothy, as now she deserved those, but Dorothy was worried about going back to Kansas. At this, Good Witch told her that the Wizard of Oz could help her too. So she bade goodbye to them and started her journey. After a while, she reached to a place where she met with a scarecrow and introduced herself. Then she told him about the Wizard of Oz. The scarecrow also accompanied Dorothy to meet with the Wizard of Oz. On their way, they met with a tin man who was rusted badly and could not move. So Dorothy oils the tin man and makes him feel better. Now the tin man also wanted to meet with the Wizard of Oz. So all the three set off together. Children, that's it for today. We will continue the chapter tomorrow. I think it's an interesting story and you all must be curious to know what happened with Dorothy. So wait for rest of the part. Till then, bye bye.
Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom